Turning on dark mode on Instagram is very easy, but many YouTubers don't show you the correct method. However, don't worry because in this video, I will show you 2 simple ways to enable dark mode on Instagram easily. First, open Instagram, then click on your profile in the bottom right corner. Next, tap on the 3 lines in the top right corner. Once you click, several settings will appear, but you won't find dark mode directly. To access it, you need to search for dark mode in the search box. Once it appears, click on it and turn on dark mode. If dark mode doesn't show up there, don't worry. The second method will definitely work. Open your phone settings, scroll down a bit, and tap on display and brightness. Here you'll find the dark mode option. Turn it on, then open Instagram again, and dark mode will be enabled. If you face any issues, let me know in the comments and I'll make a video on it. Also, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thanks.